I'm Sue. I look after my husband, John, who's 81 and has mixed dementia. As I said, I've cared all my life in one way or another. And when I was a district nurse, the greatest joy I got was leaving somebody's house when they had a smile on their face. Didn't matter how well I'd done their dressing or whatever, but if I left them happy, I felt happy. And that's the same with caring for John. If I think he's happy, then I've done a good job and he's okay. Satisfying might be the wrong word, but it's a good feeling to know that that he feels comfortable. For John, I do absolutely everything. He's had his diagnosis for 6 years, but I think he's actually had dementia longer than that, and he's now at the point where I have to help him with everything, all the aspects of daily living. He can't do anything for himself anymore. Example, yesterday I left him for 5 minutes to answer the phone, and when I got back he'd put on 2 pairs of trousers. So he knew he had to put his trousers on, but he forgot he'd already put 1 pair on. So yes, I have to help him with everything. Being taught how to care physically is part of who I am, but the other side of it, the sort of mental side and going with it, I thought I knew quite a lot about dementia, but I don't think it's till you actually live with somebody with dementia that you really understand it. I belong to an organisation called Tide, Together in Dementia Every Day, and have had a lot of support from them, talking with other people, hearing other people's stories, and the same with Alzheimer's, and that's certainly given me insight into aspects of care that I might not have thought of. So yes, that's been really helpful. There might come a time when I need some additional support from carers, and I know at the moment there seems to be a real shortage of carers in the community. But I would say for any carer, it is actually, in a paid role particularly, it can be very, very rewarding, because you can see the outcome. You can see that you're relieving stress in somebody's caring role. You can see that the person you're caring for is benefiting from that, and that in itself gives you something back. It's something to feed on.